Hi there, my name's Craig and welcome to my home hob, bringing you delicious recipes from around the world. This week we're going Italian. We're going to make an authentic Bolognese ragu. This is a really rich ragu sauce made with beef, chicken livers, which are optional, but it does give the dish a really wonderful richness. And then we're going to temper it down at the end with some milk, just to smooth it out. We're also going to add some pancetta. Make sure you use unsmoked pancetta. If you use smoked pancetta, it will completely dominate the dish. So right, let's get on with the cooking. So to make this dish from scratch, we're going to make a classic Italian soffritto. This is garlic, onions, carrots and celery, finely diced. We're going to add 75 milliliters of olive oil to the pan. And now let's fry our garlic for around 1 minute. Add the chopped celery, the chopped carrots, the chopped onions, we're going to fry this for around 10 minutes or until the vegetables are softened. Next we're going to add 2 sprigs of rosemary and 2 bay leaves and fry for around a further 5 minutes. And now it's time to start adding our meat. First of all, our unsmoked pancetta, around 75 grams, and 100 grams, optional, of chicken livers. And 300 grams of beef mince. We're just going to brown this off and make sure it's cooked through. And now we're going to add 100 milliliters of red wine. Any good red wine will do. We're going to cook this off for about 5 minutes, just to burn off the alcohol. And now we're going to add 400 grams of plum tomatoes. Just make sure these are really mashed in. We want to incorporate this into the sauce. And don't throw away the can. Add 100 milliliters of water to the tomato can. Rinse it around so you get all that tomato flavour and add that to the sauce. And now we're going to give it a really good mix and we're going to simmer this for half an hour. Check the consistency as you're cooking the sauce. If it goes a little bit too dry, add a little bit more water. And now it's time for our milk. We're going to add 75 milliliters of milk, stir this well in and cook for a further 15 minutes. Check for seasoning, add salt and pepper if required. And after 15 minutes, it's ready to serve. I'm serving mine with spaghetti, but this sauce will work with any type of pasta. And finally we're going to garnish it with some parsley, just finishing touches. And here we have it, an authentic beef ragu or bolognese. If you like what you've seen today, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. You can add comments in the comments section. And thank you again for watching. My name's Craig, this is my home hob, and here's some links to some other videos that I've made. Thank you again. See you next week.